Hello everyone. We went on a beautiful road trip from Bangalore to ooty. We started in the noon from Bangalore, taking the nice road and then the Mysore Expressway. The roads were super smooth, perfect for a long drive. After crossing Mysore, the scenery slowly changed as we entered Bandipur. The forest felt refreshing. Soon we crossed into Tamil Nadu beautiful Nilgiri district, entering the Mudumalai forest. The roads here are incredibly scenic. We spotted some peacocks, deers, monkeys, and couple of elephants. We stayed in Masingudi for the night. Next morning, we went to Ooty. We first stopped at a famous boat house. We spent some time enjoying the lake views and the cool breeze. For lunch, we went to HBH, Hyderabad Biryani House. The food was really tasty. After that, we checked into our resort, the Sterling Elk Hill. It is a hilltop resort spread over about 4.5 acres, perched above the town with panoramic views of Nilgiri Hills and Ooty Valley. The resort has a lovely reception area, a chocolate shop, a nice sovereign shop inside. Also, they have a lounge and bar. This is a Nilgiri Express restaurant. We had our breakfast and dinner buffet here. It truly feels like a stay above the clouds. They have games area, activity zone as well. Our kids enjoyed playing there. The location is calm, scenic, and it's ideal for families and couples. We booked a premium suite room. It came with a small pantry, a cozy living area with a convertible sofa bed, a TV, and a great view. And a nice bedroom with a queen bed. They also have a TV here. And they have a neat and tidy bathroom with all the essentials. And we rested for the day. The next morning after breakfast, we drove to Coonoor. The weather has completely changed. It was foggy even at 11 am. The whole drive felt magical. Our first stop was the tea gardens and factory. We explored the entire tea making process, tasted different tea flavors there, and even we bought some to bring home. Then we headed to Sims Park. It is a massive botanical garden spread over 28 acres. It has beautiful landscaped gardens, century old trees like these. They do have some boating area. And a nice kids play area. The next, while returning to our resort, we have come across this Wellington railway station. It's a beautiful and small station. Next day, we checked out from our resort, started back to Bangalore. On this route, we saw some pine forest, the famous pine forest, and a beautiful shooting spot. It's a natural trail. Also, we got across Paikara Dam and lake. The stretch was lined with towering eucalyptus trees. It's truly a memorable experience.